Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the new bike pedals that I got from this company called Kemimoto. They contacted me and see if I wanted to do a review on their pedals. And I was actually in the middle of looking for new pedals for my bike because I noticed that my foot slips off these pedals quite a lot. So here's the package that I got. So this is the Kemimoto bike pedals here. Now, first glance, they feel pretty good in your hand. You could definitely feel the cleats are raised a lot higher, and you could see the profile here that the cleats are higher than this middle piece here. And if you notice, on this one, it feels like this middle part is higher than the cleat. So when your shoe is resting on here or wherever, the sneaker, it feels like it's almost riding on this thing and not the cleat, so it easily slips off because of that reason. So I'm hoping these pedals are going to be a lot better in that regard. Here's how they look side by side. You could see it's a lot wider and bigger as well. Here's their side comparison here. They're skinnier, but they're wider. So I'm really excited to try these on. So let's install these. Now the left hand one here is going to be reverse threaded. So to loosen it, you actually want to pretend like you're tightening it. Remove this one. Now these are labeled, so this one says right. So I gotta get the left hand one here. It's got an L here, left hand, the left side. So like I said, these are reverse threaded, so you want to go the opposite way to tighten these. And you could use this 8mm socket adapter that I showed in my previous video. I got this set from Harbor Freight. And then I'm going to look at my manual and look at the torque specifications, and I'll tighten these at the end with the correct specification with my torque wrench. So for now, I'm just gonna get them tightened here. Now we'll do the same thing for the other side. And this one is the way you're known to do it. And this one is just the regular way, to loosen it, lefty, loosey. Okay, make sure it's right on right. Stick it in. It's easier to just get it started with your hand, And then when you feel a little bit of resistance, tighten it with this. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm also gonna tighten these with the torque wrench to its correct specification. And I'll show you that as well. Let me look at the manual. So pedals, it says 35 Newton meters. Okay, so we're gonna get our trusty torque wrench here. Now this one is in pounds per foot here, so I did a conversion here. So it's gonna be 25.81, so roughly 25. So I'm gonna loosen this here and set it to 25. Right about there. Tighten it up. There we go. Clicked. So that one's good to go. Now we're gonna do the same thing for this one. It's a little tricky to get in there with the torque wrench. So that one is reverse threaded, so that means we're gonna go to the left to tighten it. Right there. There we go, clicked. Now it's set correctly to the torque specifications. And we're pretty much done. So here's another view of the pedals side by side here. You could definitely see these are a lot more pronounced. And that's what's gonna keep your foot from slipping. Okay guys, I'm gonna go for a little quick spin here and I'll let you know my thoughts. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I just did a quick test right here, and I must say these pedals are very good. I mean, compared to these ones, there's no comparison. As you could see, there's a lot more cleats here versus only 4, and there's, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. They're much more pronounced. So I mean, this thing grips your shoe like Velcro. And I don't see it slipping off. I mean, for it to slip off, it would have to basically rip your shoe apart and take it with it. So it felt really good riding with it, and I mean, I could see myself if it's wet or raining or whatever. I mean, this thing is not gonna slip off. So this is definitely a great improvement over the original pedals. Now here's some of the things that I will tell you that I wish it had. I wish it was, I don't know if it's even possible with these kind of designs, but I wish it was foldable. And I also wish it had the reflectors like this one does. But, you know, it's small gripes. Overall, I would still, you know, do this update any day of the week over this one. So once again, you know, this is the Kemimoto pedals. And I'll have a link on the description below. You can get them from Amazon. They're about $28 right now, which, I mean, feeling on this construction and quality, I mean, I would say it's definitely worth it. Okay guys, we'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and ride safe. Take care.